Google just did a major core update on January 13th, and the rollout was completed on January 16th. And it's called the January Core Update, January 2020 Core Update. And typically, Google does major core algorithm update 2 to 4 times a year, and these are worldwide, independent of languages, it's just worldwide. So these are major algorithm updates. These are independent for your minor updates that's specific to certain things, such as speed update, Panda, Penguin, all these very specific, just targeting certain things. This is a core algorithm update. And so this one, there's a lot of buzz out there. Which sectors it got impacted? Did it impact the home improvement? For me, did it impact the home improvement sector in the funeral industry? And I went back and looked at our clients. There's very little impact at all. In fact, some of our clients, their ranking actually increased, which is kind of nice to see. So if you're not doing any shady practices, there's nothing to be afraid typically with these major updates. And but there's a lot of data out there. Which sector did it impact the most with this core update? You can see travel, retail, finance, and health. Unfortunately, these are the 4 sectors that got impacted the most, vitality-wise. And some other data from SEMrush. You can see home and garden, very little impact at all, which is always good to see. And you can see these are some of the sectors that got impacted the most, right? So overall, just want to let you know, the home improvement sector and the funeral industry, they're not as impacted by this major core algorithm update. And Google does this, right, 2 to 4 times a year. So at least this one, no major shifts. And for a fact, you might be able to see some nice bump increase in your ranking if you're doing legit search engine optimization.